All right, so I have the mini drone here from Holy Stone. As you can see, it fits inside this palm of your hand. You have to charge the battery, and then once you do that, just turn this on. Put the joystick up once and down, and that's going to pair it with the drone. Then you're going to take both joysticks and put them down to the 7 o'clock position, and you should then be ready to go. This is take off and land as well. Let's take off, and I'm going to put it up. Pretty simple to fly. Now if I were to push land, it's just going to land where it's at the moment. So I push land and it's just going to land there. So it doesn't have a GPS return home signal, it just lands wherever it is. And that's it.